In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a profile link on Slack. If you've ever needed to quickly refer someone to a team member's profile, knowing how to grab that link can make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web browser version, I'll guide you through the steps so you can easily share profile links whenever you need to. To get started, you'll first need to sign into your Slack workspace. You can do this using either the desktop app or through your favorite web browser. Make sure you're signed in and have access to the workspace where the person's profile is located. Once you're in your desired workspace, you're ready to locate the member's profile. This can be done while you're in a conversation, be it in a channel or a direct message. Simply click on the person's name or their profile picture. This action will typically open up more detailed information about that particular member. Now that you've opened their profile, it's time to find the magic of copying their profile link. Look for the More Actions menu, which is represented by 3 dots. This is usually located around the profile area you've just opened up. Click on that menu, and you may see a list of available actions. Here you should find an option that lets you copy the link. Depending on the Slack workspace or the version you're using, it might say Copy Link or Copy Profile Link. Choose that option and you've got the link in your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. With this link, you can simply navigate to any Slack message, email, or document where you want to paste it. This feature comes in handy when you want to quickly connect someone with another team member's profile, providing access to their contact details and status updates without any hassle. However, there's a small caveat to be aware of. Not every Slack workspace or app version may offer this feature. It's always good practice to make sure your app is updated to the latest version. This can sometimes influence what's available on the menu. Additionally, some workspaces might have specific settings that affect whether you can copy profile links, so it might not always be present. That's a simple and straightforward way on how to copy a profile link on Slack. It's a quick process, but knowing exactly where to look saves you time and effort, particularly when you're navigating through various profiles and channels in your busy workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has made your Slack experience just a little bit smoother.